Welcome back to Weekend Restoration Salvage Garage Edition. We're working on the Duramax again today. We were messing around trying to figure out why it wasn't going in any of the forward gears, and we thought we had it figured out. Got the TCM and the ECM pulled out here. The TCM, we did find 2 broken wires going into the plug, so we pulled that apart and pulled the pins out and rigged the wires back together. And I also found a broken wire on the ECM, and still not going into any of the forward gears. So I did a little bit more research, and they're saying it could be the neutral reverse backup switch thing down on the side of the tranny, which I thought I had a spare on that other tranny I got at the house, but it wasn't there. And there is a plug on the other side of on the passenger side of the transmission that was full of oil, so we sprayed that out and still nothing. So I'll fire it up and show you guys the code on the dash. So maybe if anybody else has ran into this problem, but you put it in reverse and it's fine, and you go into drive, let me clear that, range shift inhibited, and the line underneath the drive is flashing. So it does that in drive or 1, 2, 3 gears, so we can't really drive it forward, so we'll have to push it forward and do some reverse and back into where we want to be. But I've seen some guys saying that it could be like a C1 pack going out of the transmission, or one of them safety switch whatever module things. So I'm not quite sure. If you guys have any ideas on that, let me know in the comments below, so I don't have to swap the tranny if it's not necessary. But today, I think what we're gonna do is start pulling some body panels off of this thing and just start stripping it down, see how far we can get to get it down to the bare frame. I don't know if we're gonna try and do anything else with the tranny at this point, or if we'll just worry about that whenever it's down to bare frame, just switch it out and not have to worry about anything. So I think for right now, we're just gonna get some bed bolts out and we'll go from there. So as you guys seen, we got the front clip taken off. We got all the bed bolts out, so the bed is ready to come off. Just working on the harness and whatnot on the inside. I'm not too sure on what all I'm going to be needing for this Duramax swap. So I guess I'm just gonna pull pretty much everything that comes from the ECM. I think they do make harnesses that delete a lot of stuff, but getting into some money there, depending on what all I need. I guess we'll just continue to rip and tear, but running out of time for today, so I think we're gonna find a nice stopping point and do some thinking, do some research, see what all we're gonna need to remove so we don't waste too much time on pulling things that are gonna be useless later down the road. So like I said, if you guys have any information on what could be causing the transmission to not go into any forward gears, it'd be greatly appreciated if you'd give us some information in the comments below. What did you just blow up out here?
I don't know.
What'd you pull off?
I just took this. Well, I got a big puff out of here.
Hey.
Maybe
All right, well, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next tear down.